In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Mautic email automation. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Mautic login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Make sure you're using a secure connection and only your own credentials. From the dashboard, go to Campaigns. Click New to create a fresh campaign. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later, and add a short description to capture the goal or audience. This context helps teammates and future you understand what the workflow is meant to do. Click Save to store these details. Next, launch the Campaign Builder. In the Builder, choose your contact source. You can bring people in from a campaign form or from one or more contact segments. This choice defines who can enter the automation, so select the option that matches your targeting strategy. For this example, we'll use a decision based on engagement. Choose the option for clicked link in any SMS, then click Add. This means the campaign will react when someone clicks a link in an SMS you've sent them, and that activity will drive the next action. Click the plus icon on the decision node to add what happens next. When prompted, select Action because our goal is to send an email. Choose Send Email. Give this email action a clear internal name so it's easy to identify in reports. Decide when to execute it. Immediately is ideal for timely follow-ups after a click, but you can delay if your strategy calls for spacing messages. Select the email you want to send from your existing library, then choose it from the dropdown. Make sure the email you select is published and available for campaigns. Choose the email type. Transactional if it's a one-to-one or system-related message, or marketing if it's promotional or part of a bulk nurture. Set the priority level to influence sending order when there's a queue. Configure the number of attempts so Mautic retrieves automatically if a temporary error occurs, which helps improve overall deliverability. Click Add to place the action on your campaign canvas. When you're satisfied, click Save. You can stop here or continue building by adding more actions, conditions, or decisions to refine the journey, such as branching based on opens, delays, or scoring. Before you go live, a few quick tips. Test with a small segment first, verify your email content and links, and send yourself a test. Ensure your sending settings and domain authentication are configured, and always comply with consent and unsubscribe requirements. With that, your Mautic email automation is ready to run.